This is the new board. All the connections are made. Man. This is the old board. Sit them side by side. Problem still exists. Cut it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Same screen. Rollers aren't moving at all. Nothing. Screen does not respond. Nothing. It's not saying nothing. Everything blinks. It's on standby. I've unplugged it. I'll start it off. Cut it back off. Nothing. Put it back on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Rollers
the
don't move.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Brand new board. At least the old board, it did move. Now I don't have anything. I'm so frustrated.